Hello folks, and welcome back to MMD Home Family Renovations. We have a new one for you and we know you're gonna love it. This is how to repair drywall in under 20 minutes. And yes, this includes prep and paint to the finished product. And we're gonna do it before your coffee gets cold. But we've wasted enough time, the clock is ticking, so let's dive in. We're gonna start with the prep. If you have a round hole, you'll wanna make it square. If you have a square hole, you'll need to make it more square. The point is, the more square it is will make the next steps that much easier. Moving on, you'll need 1 or 2 pieces of wood. Almost any wood will work. In this case, we use scrap wood. This is the best kind due to its consistency and price year after year because it's always free. Next step, using drywall screws, attach your piece of wood inside the existing wall as shown, allowing enough overhang to support your repair piece of drywall. And if this is beginning to get away from you, remember these 2 tips. Number 1, don't sink your screws too deep. And tip 2, don't overthink it. This is easy. Next, use a box cutter or utility knife to cut your repair piece to size. And don't forget, human skin cuts easier than drywall, so be careful. Once sized properly, attach your repair piece using those same drywall screws. Next, you'll want to cover the seams with a mesh tape. Then it's time for the joint compound. Go generous, feather those edges, and act like you know what you're doing, because now you kinda do. Once the compound dries, or if you're a rebel before it completely dries, you're gonna use your remaining 5 to 10 minutes to sand it smooth. Then hit it with some paint, and boom, like it never even happened. Lastly, have your friends or family over to show off your work. If you followed our steps properly, smile and accept your new title, Drywall Royalty. And when they ask you if you can fix a small hole for them, politely say, "No, but I can do better than that." I'll share the video with you. And that way you can like and subscribe as well. Have a great day, and we'll look forward to seeing you soon.